I could come up. This is that I could come up with though. At least it's a little bit fair. Though we started working on this kitchen. We've called the company that want to buy kitchen from, and they said we should come, but Obi has been so busy for us to go together, to go to the company together. But for now, manage my little kitchen with me. So be just the little I have to come up with. I still left I want to put the microwave up here, but it will be difficult for greatness if she wants to take anything from it, or she wants to heat her food. It will be difficult for her, and her begging someone every time, please come and help me, please come and help me. You know, children now, they'll say, "I beg, leave me. If it's you, will you go?" and all that. So that's why I have to bring it back here. I know you guys cannot see. My food processor and my blender is here. Then my rice and everything is there. So let me be managing it like this till miracle happen. Getting an apartment here in Italy is not easy, especially with blacks. We both they give us their house again, so except we buy. So for now, we are still searching for a better house, a better apartment. You know, it's something that we want to buy, and since we want to buy it, we have to be very, very careful, and we have to make sure that out of 100% of what we are looking for, we should get at least 80% of it. We don't just want to buy anyhow house. We want to get everything that just 80% of what we are looking for, you know, so that when the kids keep growing, it will not be a problem for us that maybe it's no longer comfortable or it's no longer enough. So we just want to get a very good house, either a full house or an apartment. But we are still hoping and believing God that one day something good is going to come out. For the time being, I and hubby have decided that we want to get a kitchen. Yes, we want to buy a kitchen for the time being. Since now here we still there, and we don't know when we're going to be leaving this apartment, so let's make it a little bit comfortable for us. So we are going to be getting kitchen very soon. We've called the company that makes kitchen, and they said they are going to send somebody to come and do come and measure the kitchen. Then we'll come to the office and we'll choose the one we want. They will do it for us. So you know, this is not something that you just do today and you get it tomorrow. It's going to take months, but we have no choice. We have to wait. So that's the update about the house buying and the relocating and also the kitchen. So for now, this is my little setup. So guys, I want to take breakfast. I finish taking breakfast, then we start cooking. I'll talk to you guys later. But it just suits me.
I saw you.
It's cooking.
The city's glow.
My corn is cooking.
A fleeting glance, the moment stole.
Mama, hey mama, I arranged your head, baby. I've not arranged my bed though. Ignore the rumpled bed.
Coffee spills on crowded
Say mama,
streets.
I look up. Say hello to mommy. We just finished packing our hair. Mama! Yeah. Sit well now. Cartoon. Eh? Mama. Look, mommy. Allah. They're not a cartoon, I don't understand. Mama. Right? The corn is ready. Oh.
Forever feels like
Guys, this is
holding hands on a
my
Ferris
first
wheel.
con for the year 2025. Allow me.
Every turn the view revealed. Your eyes, they tell me all I need. A quiet love, a simple creed.
On you.
We storm the summer rain so bright, dance through the mess till dawn's first light. Imperfection writes our song with you's where I belonged all along. I'm endlessly chasing you through every sunset, every blue. The way you
Mama,
love,
baby,
the way you
Emera.
in you I found my stolen you.
This con is so nice. Look at the camera. Good guy.
We storm the summer rain so bright, dance through the mess till dawn's first light. Imperfection writes our song. With you's where I belonged all along. I'm endlessly chasing you through every sunset, every blue.
And
The way you
everybody.
laugh, the way in you I found my stolen.
It comes sweet. Some say be sweet. Yes, that. Oh no, all that.
I saw you there with a grin so wide, like the sun had slipped from the sky. Your laughter echoed,
No, that's not
made
it
the
to be sweet.
world stand still. A fleeting moment, but I feel the thrill.
The game guy go come, I know. But it's sweet. But I know. Okay, it's going to enter.
Your touch like whispers, soft and kind, tracing maps across my tangled mind. In your gaze, the stars collide. The universe here by your side. You pull my heartstrings, let it bleed. A melody. I breathe you in, you're my sweet. With you life's brighter everywhere.
So guys, my sauce is
Your
ready.
words a song I can't forget.
So this, my rice is here. And this is my chicken. I'm going to be having this chicken now. This way. Allow me to do this.
A brand new start, no time's misplaced. And when the world fades to
So that the chicken will take the sauce.
I'll hold your hand and know for sure
The sauce is just inside.
the love we bleed is stronger than what dreams can see. You pull my heartstrings, let it blow. A melody
The sauce.
I breathe you in, you're my soul.
I'm cooking though. Thank you all for watching up to this extent. Thank you guys for following me to this end. I don't know what I filmed, but anyhow, thank you for watching. If this is the end of the vlog, thank you. And if you've not subscribed, please subscribe, like, and leave your thoughts in the comment section. And guys, we'll be seeing in the next video. Let me go and attend to this. See my madam. See my madam. She has been crying. So let me go and attend to my madam, clean up my gas and take my bath, eat, and we'll call it a day. I mean, what is it? I will call it a day. So bye bye guys. See you all in our next video. Bye bye. Guys, this is my portion.
You pull my heartstrings, let it I'm ready in every room. I breathe you in, you're my sweet air. With you life's bright.